And put your hand in. Yeah. You can wear it.
Here you go. You put your hands through, okay?
Thank you.
There you go. You put your hands through. Yeah, so it's a bracelet for you.
Let's go. Come.
I want cinnamon roll.
No problem.
You show?
Yes, it's called the Magician's Coloring Book. Now, everybody, over here, inside here, I do have a rabbit, a clown, a giant galaxy,
Thank you.
rabbit. So you can set for something that looks like this. Give yourself something. Remember, come on, please.
You want to wear it?
Okay, friends, now who thinks?
There you go. Can you show the camera?
The chair.
Thank you. There you go. You put your hands through. Nice.
There's a bell
There's a
inside.
bell inside.
Yeah. Now put your hand in. You can put your hand in. Yeah, the girl card.
Thank you. Of course. So pretty. Okay, you can put your hands through. Yeah. Oh. So you can just whoop, put your hands through. Don't want. It's okay. You take it. Okay.
You can wear it inside your hand like this. You want to wear it? Yep.
Sure. Almost done.
Thank you so much. You guys are